open the App Store. It doesn't look like you have an app named App Store. If you'd like, I can help you look for it on the App Store. Siri, how can you continue to be terrible? Hey, what's going on, folks? Welcome back to MK. I'm your host, Robin, the one with a big old can of Mellow Yellow next to him, because we're gonna need some kind of sweet hydration to make it through today's subreddit. That one being r/software gore. Oh man, I have to deal with this a lot on my own already, but at least I get to see other people deal with it too. Makes me feel a bit better. Without much further ado, let's get right to it. Ad failed to load or something. Yeah, or something is putting it quite lightly. What in the world am I looking at here? Well, guess I'm an AI now. This is beyond my understanding. All right, let's see here. I don't speak Russian, if that's exactly what that is. And yeah, I think this is beyond all of human understanding. Jesus. Trying to split and dock my keyboard on an iPad Air. All right, let's see. What in the world? Oh, right, split it. I guess okay, that's adding up. It sucks. The McDonald's app is just plain broken. Are you sure? For some strange reason, this feels like some crappy intentional design choice, huh? Also unrelated, has anybody else felt that McDonald's has become incredibly expensive lately? Or is that just me? Forever alone. Oh damn, you're so lonely they decided to steal a message. Or rather, put you in message debt? How are you supposed to pay this back? This is an amazing email to get. Let's see about that. Hello. You may have a version of the Microsoft Teams app installed on an Android device that may unintentionally prevent emergency calling, depending on your region. When you're not logged into the app, the issue is caused by an unintended interaction between the Microsoft Teams app and the underlying Android operating system. Please visit the Google Play Store and update to the latest version of Teams immediately. Wow, what? I can't fathom at all how that would possibly play out. How would this happen? Probably gonna avoid this place from now on. Yeah, I would. It looks like the Matrix is kinda bleeding through a bit here. Subnautica go brrrt. Is that right? Oh, yeah. That's very right. What in the hell? It sure looks cooked. Rocket League, cooked, not responding. Yeah, I wouldn't have used cooked, but they did, so I guess we'll go with that definition for now. The game sure has changed since I last played it. Ah yes, my favorite African countries, Belgium and Germany. Yeah, this is a little strange. We have the Netherlands, Luxembourg. Oh, what in the world? Luxembourg is twice? In Africa? Yep, updating to Windows 11 was the best decision I made in my life. Wow, isn't that just great, folks? Maybe wait like a year after the new version comes out. That way they'll iron out all of those dumb kinks that shouldn't have been there in the first place. Delivery got delayed after it arrived? That seems a little bit suspicious if you ask me. Dad managed to break the South Australian government app by deleting the first digit of the 4-digit PIN. What? Huh, well I guess you're screwed when you only remember the second digit. Hold on a minute here. Who's watching? Adam, Gib, add profile, Adam, Gib, or add profile. I think Adam's gonna watch. Cursor glitched inside this box. First instinct was to draw a dragon. You what? Oh, well, color me confused. I mean, I'm always confused by something freaking out in the software of really anything, but I'm extra confused here. Energy savings. Oh, wow. You might want to call some engineers, because I think you just found a way to really crack the code to using less energy, that is. Holy God. They're finally evolving. Oh my God, they are. No. That's cheating. You can't do this. You can't do this. I don't have the triple P shooter right now. Not cool. Not cool. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to follow this path. It's very simple, really. It involves a lot of screaming and flying, unless you can run very, very fast. Bruh, Portuguese is hard. I think every other language is very hard. Fill in the blank. Yes, I can see what you're saying now. Looks like I'm in heaven. Does it? Does it really look like that? You've broken time. Thank you. Now the universe will collapse and it's all your fault. What did you do? Twitter is sending me mixed signals. Yeah, it kind of does that for everyone though. It's not just you, trust me. Twitter's weird. Don't ask me why I've 6BT mouse from same brand. Please don't. All right. Fine then. I won't. Also, I see you got your Xbox wireless controller paired. Does it actually function? Because it certainly doesn't function when I give it a try, man. This kiosk at ATL was stressing about 2022. Ooh, I don't like seeing things like that in large, incredibly expensive public places. My mail track this morning. Looks like it's all A-okay. That's what the check mark means, and there's a lot of them. I'm terrified. Oh my God. What in the hell? How would this accidentally happen? This doesn't, no, something seems a little weird here. I can't be the only one that feels that way, right? When did we decide categories are meaningless? A long, long time ago. TV shows set in New York City. Goddamn, right under movies? Can you imagine picking a TV show to watch just because it's set in New York City, though? The most boring, goddamn looking place in the world. I've been there. Believe me, it's kick-ass. But, you know, Hollywood seems to think it's the only city in the world. All right, biometrics are out of order, and so is the UI. Incorrect. Ate estu verify biometrics. Try again in 19 seconds. I will do my best. My very strong password is not strong enough. Also, I'm certain that this isn't my username. Yeah, Don't you love it that when you get a random string done by your browser, it's still not enough anymore? You know what? Just here, I'll cut off one of my fingers and give you my blood. How about that? Is that strong enough? Quick DNA check. My PIN has a 0 in it. Guess I'm done. Yep. You're screwed. Christ. Portal between Lithuania and Poland. There's a portal? Oh my God, I'm gonna jump right through that. I'm just kidding, I'm not anywhere near there. How would you like to rate this game? I would not like to rate it at all. But hey, those options feel correct, so I'll just choose one of those. My keyboard is rebelling. What type of key? Oh. It's doing a little bit more than just rebelling. I think it's trying to break out of the phone. GTA 4 citizens when they found out that GTA 4 may be remastered. Ew, not a fan. Alright, what's going on with Uber Eats? As it turns out, not much. It's trying to tell you that you could save. No, you can't. It's Uber Eats. I present to you my home screen. Yes. This is phone. Glad I spent $110 on this skin. You what? Oh, wow, TF2? Jeez. Haven't seen anything for that in a while, and you spent $110 on something that's not even showing up? I'm sorry, man. My Memoji is staring into my soul. That sure is gross. No thank you. Seriously, what's going on with these? Oh, how silly of me. I should have known that location was in outer space. Oh yeah. Bye. See you later. So, I was playing The Crew 2 and found this near spawn. Don't worry about it. We don't ask questions about that. Ma'am, I think you're supposed to correctly be in the surgery station to have your baby delivered. Correctly? Oh, yeah, none of that seems right. I mean, I've never witnessed a birth, but, Dear God, I think that my teacher isn't feeling good, Dumbledore. Dumbledore? Now please enjoy your feast and enjoy your summer holidays. Oh my God, that took me a second. Schrodinger's movie tickets. Your order is confirmed, and there was a problem with your order. Your confirmation email is on the way, and your order could not be completed. Do I get to go to the movie or not? Yes. Totally Argentina. That's totally Argentina, you're right! And you won! I think it wants me to update something? No, that doesn't really make any sense. I don't see any evidence of that. Evening walk. Holy crap, nice picture. We're putting that up on the fridge. Watch Dogs 2. Are you sure? Yes, water. Yes, this is very water, much wet. Nice job, BMW. Oh God, what happened? It's already been in an accident? Jesus, where are we going to again? Yes, that's all I could tell you. Yes. Why is this here? Let's see. Let me zoom in here. All right, great background, sure. What is that? Game Boy. Game box, Game Boy, game not supposed to be here, that's for sure. You know what? What a great image to end today's video on, as a matter of fact. Let's get out of here. Oh, wait, we gotta take a look at the fan art first. Weirdcore MK. I used PixArt. I hope you like it. Oh, of course I like it. Look, you've got me, plump and fat and full of feathers, and you've got this horrific-looking biblical angel MK Doctor. Oh my god. Always remember, if you even somewhat enjoyed today's video, to consider dropping a like down below. And if you really enjoyed it, well, make sure to get yourself subscribed and click that bell icon. And hey, if you want to see more of yours truly, you can check out the links in the description below. And until next time, I'll be seeing ya.